What's up, guys? We are getting a follow-up checkup on the 350Z HR. Bad news, very bad news. We blew through a motor. We didn't blow through it. It's a bad motor. We were hoping it's just gonna be the heads and whatnot, but it's not. Ended up being a little bit more than just that. Check it out. So, as he was explaining it to me, it's really bad. It's corroded. It's super. Pistons. Kind of ate through the pistons. The dude said he had it parked for a couple months. No, looks like shit. Some stuff, he said even these were kind of fucked up. So it's all trash. We'll see. We got contact for a new engine, but for now, this one is going to the dumpster. It is what it is. Fair game. We knew what we were getting ourselves into. Oh, nice. But we live and learn, and we will get this fixed. We will be running to LA tomorrow, picking up a new engine, and hopefully get this running ASAP because we need it for Sunday. It's crunch time. We have no more time to spare, so we gotta get on it. Sucks. We got Leo trying to get a 6.0 swap. See what they're talking about.
Ya es cierto y en ese sentido.
Sí.
Se le puede meter la transmisión, la 460, y esa es de vez en cuando.
Ok.
Entonces, como dices tú, de vez en cuando darle su jaloncito, pero si le vas a hacer eso, una 4L70, 60 está bien. O si quieres ya algo que no te va a fallar un buen tiempo, o prácticamente nunca, le puedes meter la transmisión de la 480.
¿Y esa aguanta buen rato?
Sí. Aguanta los putazos.
A lo que salga.
I'm telling you, we should get this shit tracked. Has he shown you the suspension?
I just saw it.
¿Lo de atrás? ¿Has visto lo de atrás? No.
Oh, you saw it through here?
I just saw it here. Pero me imagino lo que si ya vi lo de enfrente, ya me imagino lo de atrás. Güey. Oh my god. Hasta de diferencial. ¿Quién te hizo el jale?
Muchas nalguitas, ¿sí?
Un vato de aquí de Ventura.
¿Neta?
Ya se llama Cruz. No me acuerdo cómo se llama, pero está aquí luego. Él hace puros carros de bolsas de aire y eso. Esa es la primera que se animó a
hacer.
Ajá.
Se aventó buen jale.
Ya, por eso te digo que quiero aprovechar a ver qué se puede hacer.
Ya, nomás mira, haciendo el 6.0 se puede hacer, ¿no? Eso no es ningún pedo. El problema es pues, agarrar todo bien y agarrar que viene siendo computadora, el harness, vas a tener que agarrar obviamente transmisión, el harness de la transmisión, todo eso. Entonces, necesitarías agarrar vamos a decir, un carro donador y agarrar todo.
Todas las partes.
Todo.
So, would it be like, not all Cadillacs have a 6.0, no?
Puedes agarrar una express, güey.
¿Una qué?
Go to U-Haul and rent a Express van.
Yeah.
Swap the engines
Las
out.
venes como la de Yuja,
Oh.
traen un 6.0, neta.
¿Sí?
Yeah. Esos traen un 6.0. Puedes encontrar un yonkeada por ahí y que te venda, que ya te toma madera, pero que el motor y de acá estén bien.
Ajá.
The transmission won't be the same, right? Or it comes with a 4L80.
I don't know if it's a 480 that comes with it.
So he'll still have to find a spare one?
Yeah.
¿Y esas en qué trocas vienen?
¿Las qué?
Las
transmisiones?
sí, la 4, la esa la que estás diciendo.
¿La
que aguanta.
480?
Ajá.
Vienen como en las trocas más pesadas, como en la Cadillac, en la Escalade y eso. Pero si quieres una donadora, ahí tengo una donadora. Estoy dejando yendo.
¿Cuánto?
Pero más que las pero esa es para que la arregles.
Oh.
¿Y cuánto sale a arreglarla?
Ponle que si la agarras y la arreglas, o en sí, ok. Tenemos que hacer el research, pero puede ser que hasta la 4L90 salga. La 4L90 para computadora, televisión y todo eso.
All right, this talk, I'm gonna cut through it. We'll see you guys when we get tomorrow morning when we're on our way to pick up the motor. I think it's called JDM of California. That's the soonest one. Everybody else kind of sold out. Super cool guy. He said he was trying to choose out like the best looking block for me. We all know business is gonna say that, but we'll see. For now, I'll let them do their talking, do their business, numbers that really don't matter to you guys. So see you guys tomorrow in the morning.
Next morning.
It's 5:30 in the morning and I'm tired. I want to be in bed, sleeping, doing nothing. But duty calls. I have to get that engine for the HR. La madre, ¿a quién se le antojó? Let's hit the road. Hit the road. We just made it to the location, JDM of California. Let me show you guys before my battery dies. How do you know? I'm a big fanboy of Supras. My brother was GTRs, I was Supras. Right hand drive. How is it driving so low though?
That's what it really.
Here comes the pain, huh? This is the block for the HR. So this is coming in clutch. I really needed this today. So we can get it installed probably late today, if not morning tomorrow. Just gotta get it back ASAP, so let's keep going. Do you All right, hold it right there.
moments later.
Cool, so we got the engine on the truck. I'm super excited. Got to meet a super cool guy, JDM of California. Huge shout out. Check it out. So we're ready to roll. Hopefully everything is good. I'm not excited for the traffic back, but let's get going. We gotta get back, be able to install it. So see you guys back in Ventura. I guess it snowed in Pasadena. That's why it's freezing out here. I'm freezing. I love the cold, but fuck this shit. Of course I have the window down, but don't mind me. Alright boys, we made it to the shop. Look at what this fool has working on. Yeah. Earthy. Dirty though. Hey. Wow.
Sí, Carolina, ¿atención?
See how soon you can get it back together running. Looks pretty good.
La entregué, pero así. No, ya cuando yo la traje ya está.
This was fucking handling it. Big brake kit.
Los de arriba, Juan. Lleva dos, lleva 12. Uno de cada lado. Voy a tener que ya cuando salga, güey, en la casa.
I'm telling you guys, this fool gets down. He likes to have fun. He likes to go fast. And that's why we're here.